Frozen ocean, endless white, high and low beneath the night. Southern winds begin to rise, Antarctic ghosts in darkened skies. 30 souls against the cold, bound by courage, fierce and bold. Through the ice, their fate is cast, forward sailing, holding fast. Through the pack, the ship advances, hope alive in daring chances. Shackleton stands at the rail, no retreat will never fail. Frozen pressure, grinding steel, groaning timbers bend and reel. Still they march through wind and snow, further south they choose to go. Hear the cracking frozen sea, feel the weight of destiny. Through the storm their voices cry, none will yield and